Hey, good day. This is Henry Lutwama from the Burlington High School Help Desk, and today I'm going to show you one of the 5 best chemistry apps that you would use in your school for educational purposes. And today I'm going to start with Formulas Lite. It's a good app for chemistry. So this app, it helps you with formulas in chemistry that you need to know. So you can choose from here. I'll choose polyatomic ions. Then how would you like to practice? I'll say formula to name. I'd like, then practice. You choose the number of problems you'd like to get. So I'll choose 10 for the sake of this tutorial. So it tells you to name the formula below. So all you have to do is just scroll through, then you choose what you think might be the right answer. I'll just choose hydrogen sulfate for this tutorial, but it's not the right answer, so I'll say submit answer. Then it will tell you if it's correct or not. So my answer was incorrect. If you want to try again, you just tap try again. If you want to see the solution, just tap see solution and they will bring you the answer. Then it will take you back to the next problem. So you have an option of 10 questions that you can do for this app. It's really a good app. So I'll show you the next app on my iPad. So I'll show you Video House. So this app is all about videos, any chemistry videos, practicals, any video you want to watch about experiments and practicals. So all you have to do is swipe on your left, then you can look up any video that you want. So I'll look up my favorite video. I'll say neon waterfall. Oh, it's right here. So it will bring you everything about that video and how to do it. So I'll tap on the video, then it will take me direct to the video. Then you can make the full screen and it will show me how to do it, and you'll get someone to explain to you everything and how the experiment goes on. So that's all for that app, and I'll take you to my next app. Yes.
Can you go back to that really quick?
Yeah.
So, and then it gives you a more detailed explanation about the particular concept?
Yeah, so it gives you more details in writing in case you didn't get the video, so you can read through, and everything is down here.
And do you flip the page? It looks
you just swipe down.
But if you, okay, to go to the next one, would you tap on episodes? Is that?
Yeah, you just swipe on the left, then you can look up any videos. Yeah, so
great.
My next app will be periodic table. I think every chemistry student should have this because all formulas are here. So this app has a full periodic table, and it's more detailed than a normal periodic table. So if you want like the groups and the periods, as you can see, it shows you the atomic number, the melting boiling point. If you want a more advanced periodic table, you just tap on the right, then you can choose from the settings the expanded format. You just tap on expanded, then tap OK. Then it will take a few moments to process your periodic table, then it will be there in a couple of seconds. You can also change the settings just in case you just want to see the melting point. Just tap melting point. You can also change the temperatures. You can choose Fahrenheit, Kelvin. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll choose Fahrenheit. Then tap OK. It shouldn't take long to process. It should take a couple of seconds, as you can see. Then it will show you everything about the melting point, and all your degrees will be in Fahrenheit. As you can see, my degrees over there.
Now, do you prefer something like this versus a textbook with a periodic table in a textbook?
Yeah, because this one is more advanced and more detailed. You can choose anything you want, and for the textbook, it's just like you have no option. So this one, you have so many options. You can choose the coloring, the outermost, and the temperature, the layout too. So for me, I'll choose tradition because I'm not so good at chemistry. So for that sake, I'll choose tradition. So after this app, I'll show you my next app, which is ChemPro. This is a really nice app for lessons. It's about chemistry lessons. You can choose the type of lesson you want to have. It's just a video with words. The lesson gives you like basics about that topic you choose. So I'll choose something like atomic mass. Then I'll have to play video. Here it's 15 minutes and it will tell you everything about the video. So all you have to do is play the video and you'll go through a lesson. I'll pull up the volume. Words will be coming up and you have to read through. So I'll fast forward the video to show you what really happens. So they show you what they're working out here. As you can see, they're indicating the number of protons, neutrons, and many more atoms, and they show you how everything is done and how to get the mass. So here it explains to you what is really in the video.
It looks like at the bottom also there are flashcards. There's a flashcard
Yeah.
option, and
Yeah, you can make flashcards for yourself. So let me say the memorizing element symbols. So like this is argon. You can choose like sulfur. You can see sulfur, bromine. So all you have to do is just swipe through and they'll bring you each element. So you can
do you
memorize
tap on it again to flip it? Or okay.
Yeah, you tap on it. So you can swipe, then this is fluorine. You can tap on it to swipe, then it will show you the element symbol.
What about the bottom two buttons at the bottom where it says tools and equation sheet? Have you looked at those?
Yeah, I have. And the tools is about the periodic table, which I showed you last time.
Right.
So you can use the periodic table just in case you're stuck somewhere.
And then there's a molar mass calculator
Mm-hmm.
and a unit converter. Okay.
Yeah, just right here and the unit.
So what happens when you tap on those?
So let me say you want to find the molar mass, you just tap on the molar mass calculator. Oh, you'll need to purchase this.
Okay, so some of it is
Yeah,
not free, but most of it is. Okay.
Yep. So the equation sheet is like the workout for most of the equation descriptions. Like this is the formula for density. It's D equals mass over volume. So that's like the formulas for different.
So teachers could use this application rather than printing out a worksheet
Yeah,
with
sure.
all of the.
Yeah. So you can tap continue to next page and they'll bring you more.
Mm-hmm.
So
Now, what happens at the top if you scroll up at the top? I just wanted to ask. If you scroll to the top, there's a share. I thought there was a share button up there. If you tap on the screen.
yeah, it's right
So
here.
when you tap on that share button, what happens?
It brings you many options on how you can share it.
Okay.
So for this sake, teachers could use it to mail it to the students.
I wonder if we could get Google Classroom as an option.
Yeah,
I bet we could. So, all right, great.
You can view more of them. Just swipe down and you can view more formulas and equations.
Great. So what's your next one?
My last one is AP exam prep, and this is to prepare you for the tests, for the chemistry tests. It has over 500 questions. So all you have to do is tap on questions, then you choose the type of questions you want. There are many different options. There is atomic theory, chemical bonding, states of matter, solutions. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll choose atomic theory. Then you tap quiz. Oh, so I completed these questions before, so I'll say okay. So it brought me my answers, so you can choose to start over. Just tap start over right here. Then okay. Then you have very many questions you can answer. It gives you time, so I have 37 minutes. So it's counting down, so I will choose before this to show you. Then you go on answering questions.
There's 25, right?
Yeah, there is 25 for
Mm-hmm.
each quiz. So at the end of the test, the quiz, they will bring you your results and show you the raw answers. If in case you failed anything, they will show you the correct answers. It's a really nice app. Check it out. And that was my project for There is an App. And I'm Henry from Burlington High School Help Desk. Thank you very much.